Good day, students. Today in JSS 2 Civic Education we are studying the fundamental human rights guaranteed by the Nigerian Constitution. These rights are found in Chapter 4, Sections 33 to 44 of the 1999 Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, as amended. Knowing your constitutional rights is one of the most empowering things you can do as a Nigerian citizen. The fundamental rights in Chapter 4 of the 1999 Constitution are: Section 33, Right to Life. Every person has an inherent right to life, and no one shall be deprived intentionally of their life except in execution of the sentence of a court following conviction of a criminal offense in Nigeria. The right to life is the most fundamental of all rights. Without it, all other rights are meaningless. Section 34, Right to Dignity of the Human Person. Every person shall be treated with respect for their inherent dignity. No person shall be subjected to torture, inhuman or degrading treatment. No person shall be held in slavery or servitude. No person shall be required to perform forced or compulsory labor. Section 35, Right to Personal Liberty. Every person has the right to be free from arbitrary arrest and detention. If a person is arrested, they must be informed in writing within 24 hours of the facts and grounds of the arrest. They must be brought before a court within 24 to 48 hours, or released on bail. They must be released if not tried within a reasonable time. Section 36, Right to Fair Hearing. Every person who is charged with a criminal offense shall be presumed innocent until proved guilty. They are entitled to a fair hearing within a reasonable time by a court or other tribunal. They have the right to be informed of the charge, to be given adequate time and facilities to prepare defense, to defend themselves in person or through legal representation, to examine witnesses against them, and to have a competent interpreter if they cannot understand the language of the proceedings. Section 37, Right to Private and Family Life. Every person is entitled to respect for their private and family life, their home, and their correspondence. The government cannot enter your home without legal authority. Section 38, Right to Freedom of Thought, Conscience, and Religion. Every person shall be entitled to freedom of thought, conscience, and religion, including freedom to change their religion or belief. Nigeria is a secular state that does not adopt any religion as official state religion, and Nigerians are free to practice the religion of their choice. Section 39, Right to Freedom of Expression and the Press. Every person shall be entitled to freedom of expression, including freedom to hold opinions and to receive and impart ideas and information without interference. The press, broadcasting, and other media shall be free. Section 40, Right to Peaceful Assembly and Association. Every person shall be entitled to assemble freely and associate with other persons. This includes the right to form or belong to any political party, trade union, or any other association for the protection of their interest. Section 41, Right to Freedom of Movement. Every citizen of Nigeria shall be entitled to move freely throughout Nigeria and to reside in any part thereof. No citizen shall be expelled from Nigeria or refused entry. Section 42, Right to Freedom from Discrimination. A citizen of Nigeria shall not be treated in a discriminatory manner by any person acting by virtue of any law or in the performance of the functions of any government office or authority. Discrimination includes differentiation on account of community, ethnic group, place of origin, sex, religion, or political opinion. Section 43, Right to Acquire and Own Immovable Property. Subject to the provisions of this Constitution, every citizen of Nigeria shall have the right to acquire and own immovable property anywhere in Nigeria. Section 44, Right not to be subject to compulsory acquisition. No movable property or any interest in an immovable property shall be taken possession of compulsorily without prompt payment of compensation. Derogation from fundamental rights, limitations. These rights are not absolute. The Constitution itself allows limitations on some rights in specific circumstances, for the defense of public safety, public order, public morality, or public health, to protect the rights of others, or during a period of emergency declared in accordance with the Constitution. For example, the right to freedom of movement may be restricted by a lawful curfew during civil unrest. The right to freedom of expression does not protect defamation, sedition, or incitement to violence. Enforcement of fundamental rights. Section 46 allows any person who alleges that their fundamental rights have been violated or are being violated to apply to a high court for redress. The Fundamental Rights Enforcement Procedure rules make it possible for citizens to bring cases quickly. Human rights lawyers, the Legal Aid Council, the National Human Rights Commission, and civil society organizations all assist citizens in enforcing these rights. As a student, memorizing the section numbers and the rights they protect, sections 33 through 44, will serve you well in your civic education examinations and throughout your life as a Nigerian citizen.